Miss Karina, and we are here with a new video. Are you ready? Let's start. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Two finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat. Meow, meow. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a butterfly, fly, fly, fly. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a tiger. Roar, roar. Hi again. In this video we will check the answers of your book of the lesson The History of Transportation. And by this time you have to read page 48 and 49 and listen and repeat with your finger. Let's start. A. Choose the best answer and underline the correct answer. Number 1. What is the passage mainly about? A. How transportation changed over the time. B. How people travel between communities. Or C. How people build railroads. What do you think? The correct answer is how transportation changed over the time. Ready? Number 2. When was the steamboat invented? A. In the 1600s. B. In the 1700s. Or C. In the 1800s. B. Yes. Number 3. When trains were invented, many communities grew along the trains, the highways, or C, the railroads. Well, the trains grew along the railroads. Yes. Number 4. How many wheels did the first car have? Do you remember how many wheels? The car number 1 had A. 2, B. 3, or C. 4? Yes, 3 wheels. Excellent. Okay, now the exercise B, it says check true or false. Are you ready? Write a check mark. Number 5. The first steamboat moved by paddles. True or false? True. Excellent. Yes. Number 6. The Wright brothers invented the first airplane in 1903. True or false? True. Yes. Okay. Activity C. Write the correct answer. Number 7. How did travel between communities become easier? So, what was the easier way between communities? People made new types of... What is the lesson? The history of transportation, yes. So, transportation. Ready? Next page. Step 1. Write the numbers in the correct order according to the story. Okay, that's why I told you to read first. Let's read all of them and then we write the numbers, okay? Communities started to grow next to railroads. This is the number 1. Incorrect. The first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers. No, I think this is not the number 1. The steamboat was invented in the 1700s. Yes, this is the number 1. 1, yes. Now we will go to write the number 2, okay? Carl Benz made the first car so people could drive to many places. Well, I think this is not the number 2, the last one. British people invented trains and opened the first public railroads. Number 2, yes. Number 2. What will be the number 3? Communities started to grow next to railroads. The first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers, or Carl Benz made the first car so people could drive to many places. Yes, the railroads. Next to the train, they invented the railroads. Number 3. Okay, we will go to write the number 4. Next to the railroads, which transportation was invented? The car, Carl Benz made the car, or the airplane? The car, right? Carl Benz made the first car so people could drive to many places. So this is the number 4. And finally, oh, this is very difficult. The first airplane was invented by the Wright brothers. Number 5. Excellent. Okay, let's go with the step 2. Complete the summary with the words from the box. So we will listen to me and point with your finger and repeat as we did in the class. Let's start. Airplane, airplane, steamboat, steamboat, difficult, difficult, easier, easier, and drive, drive. Okay, let's read and complete with the words from the box. In the past, traveling between communities was, let me give you a clue, easy or difficult? Difficult, right? So, difficult is the correct answer. Okay, let's continue. So, people invented new kinds of transportation with the steamboat, yes. Okay, let's continue. And it became easier, excellent. So let's write easier. Okie dokie. It became easier to travel and move things. Then, in 1885, people could themselves by car. What is the action we made with car? Drive, yes. Let's mark it and write it. Drive. Good job. And drive themselves anywhere by car. Now, oh, the next is very difficult. Millions of people travel by airplane. Yes, teacher Kari, excellent. Travel by airplane. Transportation has changed our lives. The time is up. This is all for today. Watch the videos in YouTube and practice your English. Okie dokie. See you later. Alligator. See you soon. Baboon. Bye bye. Butterfly. See you next time.